Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be talking about a soon to be launched, currently under beta testing, social media platform that goes by the name of Utopia. So what is Utopia? Utopia is a secure, decentralized ecosystem that utilizes unique peer-to-peer network architecture. There is no central server involved, meaning that there is no single point of failure that, if it failed, would stop the entire system from functioning. Your messages and files will never be stored on third-party servers. Each user participates in the transmission of network data, but only the recipient can decrypt the data. Advanced encryption ensures an interception-proof communication channel to all Utopia users. Now, a question may be lingering in your mind that what can you use Utopia for? Well, there are a ton of uses, some of which are sending personal messages, participating in group chats, both public and private, sending internal U-mail, an email used only inside the ecosystem, sending voice messages, sharing files, making financial transactions denominated in Utopia's own cryptocurrency called Krypton, earning Kryptons through mining on any computer without slowing it down. Now, we've discussed the uses for Utopia, but why should you join Utopia instead of all currently present messengers, social media platforms, and communication systems? We live in a world of total surveillance, where a lack of privacy is becoming a norm and confidentiality is a thing of the past. All current major social media platforms make it necessary for you to provide a lot of personal data and information, forcing you to share your often confidential information just so you could get in touch with friends and family. Utopia believes this to be utmost wrong, and therefore Utopia was specifically designed to protect the privacy of communication, confidentiality, and security of personal data. It was created for the privacy-conscious public who believe that privacy is paramount. Key privacy features of the Utopia ecosystem include a truly decentralized peer-to-peer ecosystem with no point of failure, interception-proof advanced encryption based on elliptic curves. It cannot be banned by internet censorship. No third-party software is involved. All tools are available within the Utopia ecosystem. No one collects your data such as chat messages, emails, IP address, or geolocation. Local storage is encrypted by 256-bit AES, protecting all of your data, history, and settings. Another interesting component of the Utopia ecosystem is Krypton, Utopia's own cryptocurrency. Krypton is an integral part of the Utopia system. All financial transactions within Utopia are denominated in Krypton. Features of Krypton include being cryptographically secure. It cannot be manipulated by any organization or government. It's safe for merchants. Transactions in Krypton are final and cannot be reversed. A merchant interface is readily available. Freedom of payment. Send and get money anywhere in the world at any given time. Total control of your money. There is no third party with the authority to block your wallet. Confidentiality. Your transactions cannot be viewed by others. Cost efficient. Transaction fees are at a bare minimum. Mining. You can earn simply by using Utopia with no effect on your computer performance. Well, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link shown on the screen, or if you're feeling generous, join through our referral link, which you can find in the description below. With this, we conclude today's video. Thank you.